Today we are going to walk you through the process of registering your startup in India step by step. The first step is choosing a name for your business. This name should be unique and reflect what your business does. You can brainstorm ideas and then check if the name is available on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. Step 2. Decide on a business structure. Next, decide what kind of business you want to register. The common types are sole proprietorship if you are the only owner, partnership if you have one or more partners, limited liability partnership if you want a flexible business structure with limited liability, private limited company if you want a more structured organization with limited liability and the ability to raise funds, one person company if you are a single owner wanting limited liability. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 3. Obtain digital signature certificate. You will need a digital signature certificate to file electronic documents with the MCA. You can obtain a DSC from government approved certifying agencies. Step 4. Apply for director identification number. If you are registering as a company or LLP, you will need a direct identification number. You can apply for a DIN online on the MCA website. Step 5. Register on the MCA portal. Now, register on the MCA portal. This is where you will submit your business registration application and other documents. Create an account by providing your basic details. Step 6. Reserve your business name. Use the Reserve Unique Name service on the MCA portal to reserve your business name. Ensure the name is unique and follows the naming guidelines provided by the MCA. Step 7. Incorporate your business. To incorporate your business, you will need to submit the necessary forms online. SPICE form for company registration, EMOA Memorandum of Association, EAOA Articles of Association. Attach the required documents such as proof of address, identity proof and DSC. Step 8. Apply for PAN and TAN. Apply for a permanent account number and a tax deduction and collection account number for your business. This is essential for tax purposes. You can apply for both PAN and TAN online via the NSDL website. Step 9. Open a business bank account. To keep your personal and business finances separate, open a business bank account. You will need your incorporation certificate, PAN and other business documents for this step. Step 10. Register for GST. If your business turnover exceeds the threshold limit, you need to register for goods and services tax. You can do this online on the GST portal. Step 11. Other necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business type, you may need other licenses and permits such as the Shops and the Establishment Act license, professional tax registration or sector-specific licenses. Check with your local authorities for requirements.